Steady-state cardio versus HIIT, the basics.
Steady-state cardio involves maintaining a consistent, moderate intensity, like jogging or cycling for 30 minutes. HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, alternates between short bursts of intense effort and periods of low activity or rest. Both are popular for improving fitness, but their impacts on your body and results can be quite different.
Benefits of steady-state cardio.
The steady-state cardio is great for building endurance, supporting heart health, and can be easier on the joints. It's accessible for beginners and those returning to fitness. This style burns calories steadily, improves your aerobic capacity, and is often praised for being meditative and stress-reducing due to its rhythmic nature.
Benefits of HIIT.
HIIT packs a big punch in a short time. It's shown to improve cardiovascular health, boost metabolism, and burn more calories in less time compared to steady state. HIIT may increase your afterburn effect, meaning you burn calories even after your workout. It's efficient for those with busy schedules or looking to quickly improve athletic performance.
Fat loss and muscle impact.
Research suggests both steady state and HIIT are effective for fat loss when paired with a good diet. HIIT may lead to slightly more fat loss and help preserve muscle mass due to its higher intensity. Steady state can also be effective, especially when performed regularly, but may not stimulate muscle as strongly as HIIT.
Which cardio method is right for you?
The best approach depends on your goals, fitness level, and preferences. Steady-state cardio suits those who enjoy slower, longer sessions or are just starting out. HIIT is ideal for time-crunched individuals craving fast results or increased intensity. Both help with heart health and fat loss. So choosing the style you enjoy most is key for lasting success.